ways. Show me love, baby, please don't ever change. Rolling up, baby, I be on that way. She in love with the way I drive her crazy. She my fucking rider. These hoes ain't got nothing on her.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title today, I'm gonna do a DIY makeup vanity mirror. I know I've done this before in the previous vanity video, so I'm gonna link it to the top so you can see what it looked like before. But I decided to redecorate it or try to rearrange my lights. I wanted a new one, but I was like, why just not just fix what I have? So in this video, I'll be showing you guys what I did. But as you can tell, I only needed a Sharpie, a ruler, and the lights with the tape. I'm gonna put all the materials down below. It's very inexpensive, like less than $50. As you can tell here, I'm just measuring off the distance between each light. I think on the sides I did 6 inches apart, and the top I did 8. Yes, I did 8 inches apart for the top. So yeah, keep watching. Yes, so as you can see, it is actually 7 inches apart. I don't know how I got 8. They added 7 on the sides and the top. I left the bottom off because the last time I had them on the bottom, and I had to literally rearrange stuff on my vanity to kind of be in between the lights so the lights can show. But this time I decided to put all my lights around and leave the bottom open so I can have stuff against the mirror if I have to. And also, like, the bottom part never made sense to me anyway. But if that's what you want to do, you can also do that. I mean, I'm not discriminating. It's up to you. And then here I use some mounting tape. It's double-sided. It's Scotch. Um, my lights originally came with the 3M pads, like the double-sided pads. But like I said, I used this before, so I had to take all of those stickies off because they no longer can stick. Or they weren't that good of a stick, like. So I went and bought some more from Walmart. I think it was like $4 for it, the roll. And here I'm just gonna cut it like into square, into like small squares to be able to fit on the back to where they won't show. Um, and yeah. So here, as you can see, I'm applying the tape to the back of the lights, and I'm gonna put it on the mirror where I placed the dots in the previous clip. And as you can see, the wiring between each light, it's sticking up because we're gonna do something with that in the next clip. And also, I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video that I got these from Amazon, the lights. They have many options to choose from, different layouts. I chose these, but I got these like almost 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, around Christmas. But there are other options to choose. You don't necessarily have to have these. And these lights come with like a connecting to each bulb, which means you can add as many and take off as many as you want, that's a pro to these lights, but I'm not really fond of the wiring. But like I said, if you like these, then hey. So now in this part, we're going to use masking tape. You can use the thin roll or the thick roll, whichever one you like. I couldn't find my thin one, so I used the thick. Then I cut it like in the middle so I can have thin, long strips. So these are going to go on the back. So I did a portion of the mirror already. I think I did 2 sides. I'm going to show you or walk you through the last side of the lights. It's very easy. So we're going to turn the mirror over, and like this one, we're going to pull back that excess wire we had earlier, and we're going to fold it behind the mirror, and then we're going to tape. I did 2 strips just in case because I don't want my lights popping off. I don't want them to be like still. So You can do a X, make an X, or like crisscross them. Whatever method works better for you. I did the cross because I didn't know which one I wanted to go with, so I just chose the cross pattern. And we're pretty much gonna go do this throughout the whole board until we get all the lights pinned back. Okay, starting here, I started to get a little lazy with the tape, but like I said, whatever way makes the wiring lay down. It's like the complete, the part of the back, how it should look. If you need more tape, do as you please. This is what I did, and you can see I did like a cross, and I tried to pull it back as much as I could. And then here's the front part. So as you can see, you really can't see the wiring as much, which is the thing that I really liked about this project. So that's about it for this video. If you like to give this video a fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss the next time I upload.
Don't nobody else get me, don't want nobody else with me. Please don't get it twisted. We ballin', they hatin' us never, cause really we both finna make it. I'm pulling up on you like pass when you